Hello everyone, today I'm excited to share with you a beautiful Tunisian stitch tutorial. This stitch is not only stunning but also very simple to master, making it perfect for both clothes and accessories. You don't need a long crochet hook, but having one handy allows for bigger projects like baby blankets. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media for more crafting inspiration. You can find all the links in the description box. Now let's start. I'm gonna chain, let's say 12. You will start work in the second chain from the hook. Insert your hook into second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull up the loop. You have 2 loops on your hook now. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook now. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up the loop. You have 4 loops on your hook now. Continue until end of this row. Now yarn over and pull through just first loop. And from now you will yarn over and you will pull through first 2 loops. So now not 1 but 2 loops, like this. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and continue until end of your row. This is how my work looks so far. Let's start the next row. We will start the next row in the second loop. So not here, but here. Insert your hook in that loop, yarn over, pull up. Insert your hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull up. Insert your hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull up, and continue until end of the row. Okay, and now yarn over and pull through first stitch, and now yarn over and pull through first 2 stitches, like that. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and continue until end of the row. Next row, start with chain 3, so 1, 2 and 3, and now we will work in all these gaps. We will insert our hook into these gaps, and we will start in the very first gap here. Insert your hook here, yarn over, pull through, and now chain 3, so 1, 2 and 3, like that. Now insert your hook into the next gap, yarn over, pull up the loop, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into the next gap, yarn over, pull through and chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook into the next gap, yarn over, pull through, chain 3. Continue until end of the row. I have almost done my row, just last stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now yarn over and pull through first 2 stitches. So now not 1 stitch but first 2 stitches or loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and continue until end of the row. And from now on we will repeat that row. So this is how it looks from the back side. So again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Again we will work in these spaces, and we will start in the very first space here. Insert your hook into that space, yarn over, pull through, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into the next space, which is here. Yarn over, pull up, chain 3. Continue until end of this row. And now yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Continue until end of the row. I'm gonna show you how to change color. So if you wanna change a color, you should do it now. Drop red color and I will grab the yellow one. And I will just put the end of this yarn on my hook. So as you can see, I just putting the yellow yarn on my hook and I'm pulling it through the last 2 loops, and that's it. If you wanna use red color later on, do not cut it, just put it aside and start with new color. Chain 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and you can continue with the new color as you did with the red color. So start in the first gap, pull through, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then insert your hook into the next gap, yarn over, pull through, chain 3, and continue until end of the row. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and continue until end of your row. As you can see, this is a very simple stitch. I think even the beginners will be able to learn it quickly. Let me know in the comments if you like this tutorial and what you intend to use this stitch for. Thanks for watching. Bye!